Hallo Freunde, wie geht es euch? Ich hoffe, es geht euch gut. In today's video, we are going to learn unbestimmte Artikel, indefinite articles. I have already made videos on bestimmte Artikel, definite articles in singular and plural category. In case if you have missed them, then please do have a look at them first. I will leave their links in the description box below. What is general difference between the definite articles and the indefinite articles? We use definite articles when we are talking about a very particular person or a thing, and we use indefinite articles when we are not talking about any particular person or a thing. Now let's begin with today's video. Zuerst will ich bestimmte Artikel wiederholen. Firstly, I want to repeat definite articles. Masculine ist der, feminin ist die, Neutrum ist das, plural ist die, and all of them mean the of English. And here is the classification of unbestimmte Artikel, indefinite articles. Masculine ist ein, feminin ist eine, Neutrum ist ein und es gibt keinen Artikel im Plural. There is no indefinite article in plural, and all of them mean a or an of English. Now let's understand the difference between bestimmte Artikel and unbestimmte Artikel and when do we use them. Let's say you are in a park with your friend, probably practicing German language, and you see a man somewhere there, a random man, and you say, das ist ein Mann. This is a man. Der Mann means the man. Here you are not talking anything in particular about that man, that's why you are using unbestimmt Artikel, ein Mann. On the other side, you see a man who is your friend, then you will say, der Mann ist mein Freund. The man is my friend. In the second sentence, you are talking very much particular about this man who is your friend, and that's why you are using bestimmt Artikel, der Mann. Let's take one more example to understand the difference between bestimmte Artikel and unbestimmte Artikel. Let's say you are on a street walking with your friend and you see a female, a random female. You will say, das ist eine Frau. This is a female. Die Frau means female or woman. Here you are not talking anything in particular about this female, that's why you are using unbestimmt Artikel, eine Frau. Versus you are in your classroom and your female teacher comes in and she starts teaching. You will say, die Frau ist Lehrerin. The female is teacher. In the second sentence, you are very much talking particular about this female who is teacher. That's why you are using bestimmt Artikel, die Frau. You see, both the sentences are beginning with das, and this das means this or that. It is not the neuter article like das Auto, das Handy. Das has many uses and meanings in German language, and here it means this or that. If das is an article, then it will be immediately followed by a noun like das Auto, das Handy, das Foto. Here das is followed by a verb, so it is definitely not an article. Let's revise the classification of unbestimmte Artikel once again. Maskulin ist ein, feminin ist eine, Neutrum ist ein und es gibt keinen Artikel im Plural. There is no indefinite article in plural category. Why so? As we discussed earlier, all of them mean a or an of English, which is applicable only to the singular nouns. I can say, das ist ein Kuli. This is a pen. But can I say, das sind ein Kulis? These are a pens? No, it is grammatically incorrect because now the pens are in plural form. I will say, das sind Kulis. These are pens. Or das sind drei Kulis. These are 3 pens. We never add ein or eine to the nouns in their plural forms. We will just say, das sind Kulis, das sind Autos, these are cars, das sind Flaschen, these are bottle, das sind Pflanzen, these are plants. Now it's time for die Hausaufgabe. In the homework, you have to write sentences with unbestimmte Artikel for these nouns. Let me give you an example for der Ball. Das ist ein Ball, and you have to write such sentences for these nouns and leave them in the comment box below. That's all for today, guys. If you find this video informative, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Dankeschön, bis bald!